Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to explore numbers in a different way. Instead of just counting from 1 to 10, we'll show you how each number grows as we add more zeros. From 1 to 1 billion, and then with every number from 2 to 9, you'll see how easy it is to understand big numbers in English. Let's begin with the number 1 and see how it grows as we add more zeros. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion. Now for the number 2. 2, 12, 20, 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, 2 million, 20 million, 200 million, 2 billion. With the number 3, the pattern continues. 3, 13, 30, 300, 3,000, 30,000, 300,000, 3 million, 30 million, 300 million, 3 billion. Let's count up with the number 4. 4, 14, 40, 400, 4,000, 40,000, 400,000, 4 million, 40 million, 400 million, 4 billion. Now, let's see how the number 5 grows. 5, 15, 50, 500, 5,000, 50,000, 500,000, 5 million, 50 million, 500 million, 5 billion. Let's count up with the number 6. 6, 16, 60, 600, 6,000, 60,000, 600,000, 6 million, 60 million, 600 million, 6 billion. Now let's try the number 7. 7, 17, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000, 700,000, 7 million, 70 million, 700 million, 7 billion. Now for the number 8. 8, 18, 80, 800, 8,000, 80,000, 800,000, 8 million, 80 million, 800 million, 8 billion. Let's finish with the number 9. 9, 19, 90, 900, 9,000, 90,000, 900,000, 9 million, 90 million, 900 million, 9 billion. Thanks for joining us on this journey through numbers. We hope this video helped you see how easy it is to understand big numbers in English. Don't forget to practice and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.